Hey guys, this is Mickey. Wanted to introduce you to our new website and show you how to set up the search. So pretty simple. Start here on the main page and click here under the location. So let's say you want to search in Tampa for a single family home, looking for maybe 3 or more bedrooms, 2 or more bathrooms. Let's say we want to keep the price between 200,000 and 250. Click 250, search. It brings up all the homes that match that criteria. Click through some of these, view details, similar properties, save. So if we click view details, after a few clicks here, it's going to ask for your email address. So just type in your email address. And then what's really cool is your cell phone will be your password. So it's easy to remember. You can also continue with Facebook or log in with Google if you're already signed in there. So continue with email. Should be coming up shortly. And there we go. And then it'll let you continue clicking through the photos. What's really cool, on the right-hand side, we have an chat with us now. So if you have a question and you want to get information quickly, you can chat with us here, ask a question, set up a showing, print a flyer if you need to. All that is available here on the right-hand side. Hope that helps. Any questions, just let us know.